Hello everybody, Porch Light here. I just want to show y'all what this rain last couple days have done. It's gonna be a real short video, y'all. When I tell you we got action, oh man. So don't worry about this rain, y'all. Don't worry about this rain. You see these potatoes? Yeah, 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 yeah. Look, y'all. Most of this stuff is volunteers. Look at that oregano. Goji plant, y'all. Oh boy. And these may be cherry trees. We'll see. All right, y'all. Longer video coming soon. Porch Light out.